Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have TECNO Pova 6 Pro and I want to show you how clean up cache and data on this device. First step, open Settings application. You need to look for your apps selection, which is right there, app management and their app list. Now we have list of our all application. Find your application which you want to clear, maybe our Facebook, and there storage and cache. And to clear only cache we press clear cache and we clear it, but to clear all storage tap on clear storage and confirm it. But I don't have there any storage, maybe I find something else like Meet. And there storage and cache, and to clear only cache we press clear cache and we clear it, but to clear all storage click on clear storage and confirm by delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.